Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be making beautiful long chiffon dress. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Now this is a chiffon fabric. I've folded it into two. The shoulder measurement is 16 inches divided into two will give me 8 inches plus half an inch, that is 8.5 inches. 8.5 inches. Then the armhole is 9 inches for the armhole. Then from the shoulder line, I will mark 12 inches for the bust point, 17 inches for the waistline, and 25 inches for the hips line. Then at the bust point, the circumference of the bust is 37 inches divided into 4 will give me 9.2 inches. This is 9.2. I'll go ahead and add extra 1.5 inches allowance. Waist measurement is 37 divided into 4 will give me 8 inches. This is 8 inches and I'll add extra 1.5 inches allowance. Then the hip measurement is 39 inches divided into 4 will give me 9.8 inches, approximately 10 inches. Then I'll add 1.5 inches allowance as well. So altogether what I have here is 12 inches. Then the hemline I will take 13 inches instead of the 12. I will make it 13 inches. The round neck is 3 inches plus 1 inch for the shoulder slope. Now for the neck depth, I'm marking 4 inches by 3 inches. It's a round neck. Then I'll go ahead and cut it out. Now I'll place it on my fabric to cut the second piece. This is for the front. I'll go ahead and cut out for the back. Now I've cut out both the front and back pieces. For the back, I went ahead to add extra 1 inch allowance for the zipper. So now I'm cutting the neckline. For the back pieces, I'm having 3. I will mark 3.5. I'll use the same neck depth for the front and back. This is 4 inches. That is 3.5 by 4 inches. So I will go ahead and cut out a lining for both the front and the back pieces. For the back, I'll be opening the back slit. But make sure before you cut anything on chiffon, you should pin it all through to be sure that everything is equal. For the slit, I will mark 7 inches or 6 inches is okay. I'll go ahead and open it up. After which, I'll go ahead and cut lining for it. Now for the sleeve, the length of the sleeve is 10 inches. I'll go ahead and add extra 2 inches, that is 12 inches. The length of the sleeve is 10 inches plus 2 inches extra, that is 12 inches. Now the round sleeve is 13 inches. 13 divided into 2 will give me 6.5 inches. And I'll add extra 1.5 inches allowance. The downside of the sleeve is 10 inches divided into 2 will give me 5 inches plus 1.5 inches allowance as well. Then at this down part, I will remove 3.5 inches. Then from this point I will curve it down to this point. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. Now I've cut out the sleeve, the two sleeves. The next thing to cut will be the lining for both the dress and the sleeve. I'll go ahead and put notch at the shoulder line. Okay. Now I've placed my fabric on the lining and I use my pin to secure it down to the hemline. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. Okay, I'm cutting a design for the neck. This is for the front neckline. So I'll go ahead and cut and trace out the neckline. Then from this point, I will measure 5 inches. Then at this side, I will measure 4 inches. This side, I've actually make it 6.5 instead of that 5 inch. So this is the front. I'll go ahead and place the fabric on the neckline. I'll go ahead and sew through the neckline. I'm top stitching at this point because it's having a lining. So I'm going to go ahead and top stitch on it, leaving half an inch as my seam line. Then I'll fold in these down parts round. After which I'll turn it with my lining. The lining I'll start from the neckline. It's going to drop to the down part. I'm not starting from the down part because I'll be hemming the fabric separately from the lining. So I'll go now and turn the neckline and join my lining to both the front and the back pieces, after which I will show you the next thing to do. So guys, I've sewn through. Now I've joined the lining to the dress, you can see, and I went ahead to iron it. I've turned it with my lining. So this is the back with the slits, while this is the front side. The next thing I'll do is to join both the front and back pieces together. I'll join it from this shoulder line. I'll place it like so, lining to lining and fabric to fabric. You can see. I'll join the two shoulders, then I'll use 1 inch to close up the two sides and as well hem the downside. After hemming, the last thing will be to attach the sleeve. I've already turned the lining again to the sleeve. So what I'll go ahead to do is to attach the sleeve. Then I'll go ahead and show you the final picture of how it looks. I will attach the sleeves to the armhole side. Then I'll first of all, after joining the shoulder line, I'll attach the sleeve. Then I'll close up the two sides with half an inch, hem the downside. Then I'll show you the final picture of how it looks. So guys, after sewing, this is how it looks. I've not attached my button. I'll go ahead and fix my button to it. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, and bye until I see my next video.